Hi everybody, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to refurbish an old M1 helmet. I've got one here. As you can see, I've been trying to paint on some shamrocks or clovers or whatever you call them, and these were used by the 327th regiment of the 101st Airborne, which were the glider troops. So I'm gonna repaint it, because it already has some cork on it, as you can see. And after that, I hope to have another new beautiful helmet. Usually a friend of mine does this, but since I've been really busy with reenactment, I want to try to do it myself so I can refurbish some more helmets. I just bought 3 other after war M1 helmets as well, so I hope to refurbish them as well in the future. I'm going to show you what I use, what you need to refurbish one, and after that we jump right into it. So here's what we need: some Fosco paint. It's RAS 6014, as you can see, right color. Some cork, which I've grounded in here, and this you can make fairly easy yourself just by using some cork and some sanding paper. And as soon as you start sanding it, you get a fairly coarse, yeah, what you call it. At least it's very useful to use this. First I started with watching YouTube on how to do this properly, because I want to have a good result, of course. And I've been watching History Secrets, which you can see. I will also post the link in the description. Some more of his, if you're interested in that, you can also check out some of his videos. He does a lot of digging with what's it called? Does a lot of metal detecting. Also some reenactment videos. Also in his backyard, he built his own bunker. He also has a trench in his backyard. Some really funny videos. So go for sure check his channel out. Well, enough talk. Let's start with refurbishing this helmet. So as you can see, I've been trying to put on this shamrock myself, which of course didn't turn out well. So let's make something nice out of it. Sometimes there will be a red ring in here. Always check that before you use the spray can, because it will prevent you from spraying. So first check if that's gone. If not, yeah, then you should take it out, or else you can't use it for a spray can. So let's see how this is going to turn out. Starting to look good already, as I must say. I'm not sure if you can see it already, but I'll show you in a bit. Gosh, for sure, big hands aren't really useful with a small pot. So my hand just got stuck. Not too much. I think it might be a little too much, but afterwards you're gonna wrap it up anyway. Let's use the wind a little bit. Just got a fly in my mouth. It don't taste very well. Actually, a while back, I'm in the army, and a while back, our lieutenant made us eat crickets, mealworms, and cockroaches. They didn't taste very nice either. It sure is starting to look good. As I was saying, I will get some more helmets in the near future. I have to wait to get them in the mail. Let's put on some more paint. But fairly confident I can do it myself like this. Actually, this one turned out pretty good. So just a little bit more practicing and the helmet will be just fine. Stupid wind's going everywhere. Oh, let's not knock over the camera. Actually, fun fact, the cork wasn't put on the helmets at first, but the American GIs start to notice fairly soon in the Pacific that the helmets were really shiny when they got wet. So they started corking them to prevent them from being spotted when your helmet was wet. And as soon as this gets wet, it's a lot harder to see in the dark, of course. Put some more paint on it. Down like this. Get a nice clear coat, thick coat on it. Oh well, a little bit more here. I think it's done like this. Let's check it out. Of course, the paint is still very wet. It will dry in a little bit, and still fairly coarse on the top of there. But we will rub most of it off later, as soon as the paint is dry. But for now, I'm very happy with the result. This will be my Normandy helmet, so we will get a pretty big shamrocks on the side. Same with my 5/6 helmet. yeah, it looks good. I'm happy with the result so far. So yeah, we'll do the decals on the side myself, so I won't make a video about that. Don't think it's very interesting either, but yeah, I will show you in a bit when the paint is dry how it turns out. So the paint is finally dry and it turned out really good now. Just it is to rub most of the excess off. Feels funny though. Turned out really good. I think the band is already in here, so I'm gonna complete it now, and then I will show you the end result. I'm happy so far. So I got my stuff together: white pencil, the stencil, 2 colors to mix them together to make a RAL 9001 or something, to make it look like it. A glass bowl to mix the paint, and of course already applied the outlining. I also sanded the rim already, as you can see. So now we'll put on the decal. So it's finished, almost. As you can see, put the decals on. I sanded the brim, the edge, as you can see. Put the liner in. Also need the leather headband, but I need to order it first. Put the net on it. Not sure if I'm gonna keep this one because it looks way too new, but for now it's okay. The only thing I'm gonna do now is just to weather it a bit, like so. Because these helmets were also used fairly much, so they didn't look like new. You can do it like this. Just throw it around a bit. Get some sand. Whatever. To make it more look used. I hurt my hand. I'm not sure what it is, but whatever. And the rest of the weathering will happen while using the helmet. But for now, as a first, I'm pretty happy with the result. Well, this was my video about making the M1 helmet, refurbishing it. It's still, like I said, a little bit too new, but while using it will get better, more used. And if you like this video, thank you very much for watching. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.